Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the wagon wheel stitch. So this is a beautiful lace stitch that creates these circular motifs that look like wagon wheels. It's all made in a single piece and it's an easy 4-row repeat that is really easy to keep track of. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 8 plus 1 plus 2 for your turning chain. So to start our wagon lace stitch, we're going to be making a double crochet in the third chain from our hook. Okay, so the double crochet is the first stitch of the row. I'll just pop a stitch marker in there. And then chain 3. So after we chain 3, we're going to skip the next 2 chains and then make a half double crochet. Chain 1, skip the next chain, and in the following chain, make another half double crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. Skip the next 2 stitches and then make a double crochet. So for row 1, this is your repeat. Make a double crochet, then chain 3. Skip 2 stitches, make a half double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet, chain 3. And you repeat that all the way across the row. So after your double crochet, you chain 3, skip the next 2 chains, then make a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, then half double crochet in the next chain. Then chain 3, skip 2 chains, then make a double crochet and chain 3. So before and after every double crochet, you've got to chain 3 and you skip 2 stitches. Then you've got this pair of half double crochet. You always have 2 half double crochet together with a chain 1, skip 1 in between. So it makes this lovely undulating pattern across your row. So chain, double crochet, chain 3, skip 2, half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, another half double crochet. Then we're going to finish the row with a chain 3, skip 2, and then make a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. So we're going to start and end the row with the same stitch. So for this row, it's a half double crochet. Sorry, a double crochet for this row. Okay, so then we turn, chain 1. In the first stitch of the row, you're going to make a half double crochet. And this is the first stitch of your row. A stitch marker in there. And now essentially we're going to do the opposite of what we did in the row below. So around the chain space, you're going to make another half double crochet. Then chain 3. In the chain 1 space between those 2 half double crochet in the row below, you're going to make a double crochet. Double crochet will always sit in that chain 1 space between the half doubles. So it's double crochet and then chain 3. We're now going to skip to the next double crochet. And around the chain, that chain 3, right next to the double crochet, we make a half double crochet, chain 1. We're not going to work into the double crochet itself. We're going to go around the chain next to it and make another half double crochet. So we're using exactly the same repeat as we did in the row below. It's just that the stitches are in a slightly different place. So after that second half double crochet, you're going to chain 3. Skip to the chain 1 space, and into that space make a double crochet. Chain 3. And now we're working on either side of that double crochet again. Around the chain, make a half double crochet on one side, chain 1, and then make a half double crochet around the chain on the other side of the double crochet. Okay, so you're never actually working into stitches, you're only working around the chains. Okay, so we're only working into those chain spaces. So after that second half double crochet, you chain 3 and skip to the next, chain 1 space to make your double crochet. Repeat this all the way across your row. So after the last double crochet, you're going to chain 3. You're going to make a half double crochet around the chain space, and then you're going to finish the row by making a half double crochet into the last stitch of the row. So there's no chain 1 between those last half double crochet stitches, because to keep a straight end of the row, you've got that half double crochet sitting in the double crochet. So your first and last stitches of the row are the only times you work into an actual stitch. But because we've made the opposite stitches of the row below, you've now got a nice flat top and it's not undulating anymore. Okay, so this stitch is a 2-row repeat. So row 3 is essentially a repeat of row 1, but I'll show you how we're going to do this row, because we're not working into chains, we're working into the chain spaces. So make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch of the row. Okay, so this counts as a double crochet, and we're going to work it like it's sitting in the chain 1 space. It's actually in the first stitch of the row, but that's how we view it. Then chain 3. Skip to the chain space right before that double crochet and make a half double crochet. Chain 1. On the other side of that double crochet around the chain, you make your second half double crochet. Then chain 3. Skip to the chain 1 space between those 2 half double crochet and make a double crochet. Okay, so it should be starting to look like this. It's really nice open spaces, and you begin to see this will be our first wagon wheel here. So we'll just finish the other side of it. So after the double crochet, we chain 3, skip to the chain space just before the double crochet stitch, make a half double crochet, chain 1, and then make a half double crochet around the chain on the other side of that double crochet. So if I pull this out, there's your wagon wheel. There's the center of it, right there, with the spokes all the way around. So this will pull out a bit more as we go up the rows. And this is why you really do need to block this stitch, because unless you do, it'll look scrunched up and you don't see those wagon wheels really forming. Okay, so to carry on with row 3, so we just finished our second half double crochet. So then we chain 3, skip to the next chain 1 space between the 2 half double crochet, make a double crochet, and we're just going to finish the pattern all the way to the end of the row. So chain 3, skip to the chain before the next double crochet and make a half double crochet around it, chain 1, and then make a half double crochet around the chain on the other side of the double crochet, chain 3, and then to finish the row we're going to skip the first half double crochet and then make a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. And that is the wagon wheel stitch. So to carry on, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3 until you have as many rows as you need. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the wagon wheel stitch. I would love to see what you make with this pretty stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, hints and tips and free patterns as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for next video. Bye for now.